everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be opening my second of June Fashion Angels box. So let's get started. I got this thingy that has inside this
yarn.
Yarn.
See what it goes to. Maybe it's a craft.
Okay. And then with it, I got some.
Oh, is that like a sewing, crochet type thing?
I don't really.
Sophie, look,
Oh, look,
makes
it's
a pink-
string art.
Make a
You can
heart.
make a heart and then put the string, just like my Ohio thing up there.
You put it in the grass, I think, and then you put the yarn all around it.
Wow.
Or you can put it on a poster board or something.
Okay.
Okay.
I got this mermaid like color sticker book.
Ooh.
Ooh, somebody just texted me. They're probably gonna call.
It's a big box of stuff.
I got this nail polish thingy.
Tissue paper nail kit.
Wow.
Ever After High.
This thing is loaded this morning.
Sure. Oh, look, you can put any of those tissue papers on your nails and then you just paint over it and they go onto your nail with like all those designs.
Wow.
That's cool.
And they also got
There's a chill out and craft clay trinket bracelet.
like how
We'll find out.
Chill out and craft.
You make it out of clay, what you want, and then decorate it.
Mm.
And then it'd be like ceramics. What's that? Sticks?
I don't.
Oh, what is this, Mama? You will need material. Oh, you apply it to your face. Oh, I don't know. I think it does glitter and stuff on your face.
Maybe it's a homemade face mask.
Oh, that's great for the road.
It's like a little notebook.
American
It's a
Girl
doodle kit.
doodle kit.
Like I can make some little creation.
Little doodles. Man,
That's cool.
Wow. Uh-oh.
Oh, this is what? Ooh,
Oh, that's cute.
what is it?
It's a cactus squishy. No squishy. Just a cactus. It's a little, just like a decoration for your room.
Yeah, I love it.
it's so cute.
And now, what is this? Oh, I think you can put like unicorns.
Unicorn hair kit. You can make your hair different rainbow colors.
Wow.
Wow.
Scented nail.
Wow, it's this kind of what kind of scent is this?
Hey, Sophie, you know that yarn? You
Um.
put this in the yard,
Oh, wow.
Wow.
and you put all the yarn around that. You make a giant yarn heart or
And
something?
then you can make a poster and hang it up in your room.
That's really
But
cool.
it shows the grass. Yeah, those stakes are in the grass.
Miss, what does it smell like?
Ooh, careful.
Careful.
Put it back. Oh,
Oh,
yep. We gotta practice with
I think it smells like strawberries.
I bet it is. Oh, look, the banana holder.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Strawberry.
I think that's about it.
That's about it.
So guys, my brother just posted a video, so I'll link his channel down in the description. Don't
Make sure to subscribe, okay?
subscribe
To my channel and her channel.
and like and subscribe and hit that bell button.
It can support our channel, please.
And don't forget to join my group on Roblox. Have a girly curve love.